Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to get any Udemy courses for free in 2023. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to log in into our Udemy account. So this is the Udemy interface. And for us to be able to get a Udemy course for free, we are going to go ahead to this website. So this is the Desk Udemy website. So in this website, we can get any course for free. So you have here coupons. So all of the courses available will be in this category. However, if you want to look for the specific course that we want, we are gonna go ahead and click category. And these are all the categories that you have. So you're just going to choose the category in which the course you want belongs. So we're going to go ahead and say, for example, click graphic design 3D model. So we're just going to click on that. And all of the courses here, as you can see, are free. So you're just going to choose what course do you want to avail. So say, for example, you want to have this SolidWorks. So we're just going to click on this. And then we're just going to scroll down and we're going to click take course. So we're just going to click this link here. And then we are just going to click enroll now. So as you can see, look at the summary. So instead of getting it for 799 pesos, we're now going to get it for free, like zero. So just click enroll now. And once we've done that, we are just going to click start course. And this is your course content. So that's how easy you can get a free course on Udemy. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!